Yes, students, in last lecture we studied about spermatogenesis, where we studied that in spermatogenesis there is a formation of spermatogonia. Spermatogonia mitotically differentiate करके क्या बनाते हैं, प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, then meiosis 1 secondary spermatocyte, then meiosis 2 spermatid, then spermatid to spermatozoa by process of spermiogenesis. The same process is here, but this is little bit different and we can say difficult. The way to say it difficult that there are different phases of life in which this process is completed, so that in case of spermatogenesis, the spermatogonia formed at the time of puberty, not before puberty. There is no formation of a spermatogonia into the, we can say, Sertoli cells, or we can say seminiferous tubule. But in case of human female, when this female is in fetal life, that means when baby girl is in the womb, यानी कि जब कोई बेबी गर्ल है एंड दैट बेबी गर्ल इज इन द वॉर्म ऑफ मदर, एंड उसका जो 6 to 7th मंथ है, और वी कैन से अप्रोक्सीमेट 20th वीक है ऑफ दैट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दैट fetus और बेबी, एट दैट टाइम देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए oogonia. देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ oogonia. दोबारा सुनो, व्हेन ए बेबी इन fetal स्टेज, यानी कि जो माँ के किसमें है, यूट्रस में ही है, वॉर्म में ही है, तब उसके अंदर जो ओवरी बनती है उसी में क्या बनते हैं, oogonia बनते हैं. ठीक है, एंड देयर इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ oogonia. ओके, अब आगे क्या, दिस oogonia will, we can say, mitotically divide and differentiate. This process is same as in case of spermatogenesis. वहां पर क्या था, स्पर्मेटोगोनिया था, यहाँ पर oogonia था. स्पर्मेटोगोनिया ने माइटोसिस किया, डिफरेंशिएशन किया एंड फॉर्म क्या किया, प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट. हियर दिस इज ए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी oocyte, and this process also takes place in a fetal life. Okay, so that means there is a formation of primary oocyte, and इसमें लगभग 60 to 80,000 प्राइमरी oocyte बचेंगे, we can say at the time of a delivery. Now this primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1, undergoes meiosis 1 कब, fetal life में. But this meiosis get arrested. This meiosis get arrested at prophase 1, at prophase 1 of meiosis 1. If you remember, in cell division in class 11 we have studied that some of meiotic cell arrested into the diplotin stage. This diplotin is a part of prophase 1. prophase 1 के कौन कौन से पार्ट है, different stages of this meiosis 1 is a liptotin, zygotin, pectin, diplotin and dikinesis. These are the 5 different stages of prophase 1. In class 12 this is written as prophase 1, arrested in prophase 1, but exactly this is the diplotin stage. Now this primary oocyte in meiosis 1 prophase stage, diplotin stage, arrested here, and it will not we can say complete its meiosis division 1. Then there would be a birth of baby, then that girl will complete its childhood period, and then when she will enter into the puberty, then this meiosis 1 would be complete, and this will form the secondary oocyte. ये क्या बनाएगी, secondary oocyte बनाएगी, and here this will complete its we can say meiosis 1, and after completion of meiosis 1 this will form the secondary oocyte. Now here this oogonia is diploid, this primary oocyte is diploid, but this secondary oocyte is we can say haploid. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, haploid हो जाएगा. Now if you remember in megasporogenesis there were formation of 4 megaspore and 3 degenerate and only 1 were remain functional there. Here also there is a formation of two cells from primary oocyte. We can say there is formation of two secondary oocyte, but there is a unequal division. There is unequal division. That means there is a formation of a large size cell and we can say small size cell. This small size cell is known as a polar body. And this large size cell is known as a secondary oocyte. At this stage इसमें क्या होगा? Ovulation होगा. There would be ovulation. Ovulation means release of ovum from ovary. और ovulation हो जाएगा. This secondary oocyte will come out. Okay, हमें पता है कि this secondary oocyte will come into the किस पार्ट में आएगा? फैलोपियन ट्यूब के सबसे पहला पार्ट क्या था? इनफंडिबुलम, देन एम्पुला एंड देन isthmus. Okay, this come to the isthmus after sexual intercourse. When sperm come in contact with this secondary oocyte, then वहां पर क्या होगा? Fertilization होगा, and after fertilization there would be meiosis second. What is the here fertilization and how this meiosis 2 takes place after fertilization? ये हम fertilization में देखेंगे. तो secondary oocyte है. Then secondary oocyte, after there is a meiosis 2 and again there is a unequal division, then there is a formation of one polar body and this is we can say are egg or ovum. ये बात समझ में आ रही है नहीं आ रही? oogonia कब बना? इन फीटल लाइफ में. उससे फिर क्या बना? प्राइमरी oocyte अरेस्टेड इन meiosis 1 प्रोफेज स्टेज ऑफ किसकी? डिप्लोडियम की. आफ्टर दैट एट द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी meiosis 1 कंप्लीट हुआ एंड देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टू अनइक्वल सेल्स. दैट इज नोन एज सेकेंडरी oocyte एंड पोलर बॉडी. दिस पोलर बॉडी फर्दर में एंटर इनटू द meiosis 2 और नॉट. अगर एंटर करेगी तो 3 पोलर बॉडी बनेगी, अगर नहीं करेगी तो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओनली 2 पोलर बॉडी. देन आफ्टर एट द टाइम ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन दिस secondary oocyte complete the meiosis 2 and form the egg and or we can say ovum. So this secondary oocyte stage पर क्या होगा? Ovulation होगा. That means ovulation takes place in the secondary oocyte stage. That means only after the meiosis 1 ovulation will takes place. Ovulation means release of ovum from the ovary. किस में जाएगा? Into the fallopian tube में. Now this is clear or not? Now we have to study the development of this egg. That means there are some other changes takes place from oogonia to formation of a egg. Now we have to study that part. Okay.